I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, 5 months, and 2 weeks. I achieved a 12.1% return rate by the end of last week. Now, time for our weekly check-in. The S&P 500 saw a slight 0.2% increase, pretty much mirroring the previous week, so let's call it a meh week. The job market data was under the microscope last week, giving mixed signals that didn't quite reverse the cooling trend, which is likely good news for the Fed. Investors' reaction were mixed bag too, contributing to the overall market flatness. As for our weekly investment, I purchased $50 of VOO around 2:40 p.m. on Thursday. Our total shares now stand at 10.2 with a market value of $43.17. This put us at a profit of $4.67, bumping our return rate up a little bit to 12.1%. If you check out this chart, you will see our investment journey. As of today, we have had 6 consecutive winning weeks, not something I expected, but I'm absolutely not complaining. That's all for this week's update. As you can see, long-term investing only requires a bit consistency and patience. If I can do it, you can do it better. That's it, I'll catch you next week.